Hello guys, it's Tech to the Hand here, back with another video. The rumored Galaxy S21 FE announcement at Samsung CES Expo keynote on January 4th is fast approaching, and the leaks have reached a flood level. After we learned the S21 FE release date, colors, and the S21 FE price, at least in Europe, it's time for the real Slim Shady to stand up. Yet another leaker with credible track record, Ricciolo, has managed to get their hands on a live image of the Galaxy S21 FE assembly. The body is seemingly of the purple Samsung S21 FE color model, and the SIM card slot at the bottom, as well as the charging port, the bottom mic and the speaker grille, are clearly visible. The screen panel is also tacked on for a good measure with its Infinity O design that has the selfie camera nestled in a punch hole in the middle of the top display part. In the meantime, the purple S21 FE leaked again, this time in fully assembled and working mode. That's all for now guys, please leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more content like this.